Alright, so now we're just about to get out the park right now and go on this little POV ride. I wouldn't call it nighttime, you know, it's only fucking 7:45 at fucking night. We gotta pop in the manual, get that beloved exhaust sound, alright? Full throttle this bitch real quick. See, now we're in fucking traffic. This shit I fucking hate. You know what I mean? You got niggas who are driving busted. Oh, I cannot take myself seriously. My camerawoman is, not talking. I don't know why. My camera is also my girlfriend, who's also doing a good job. You know what I mean? Taking the videos.
I don't know what you want me to say.
Anything. Well, not no jank shit.
Well, you keep on cussing.
Yeah, that's how YouTubers be. I'm gonna get demonetized, I'm telling you right now. You know, McDonald's is packed. You know what I mean? Show them how McDonald's is packed. 7:45 at night, niggas is at the McDonald's.
Well, the McDonald's is always packed.
At 7:45 at night?
Yeah.
Now we got what is that? The Vivint van? The non-tanny mobile?
You're going to jail.
I'm not going to jail. I almost went to jail. Believe it or not.
Let's not.
You know, I cannot believe I started with the V6. You know, I saved my money for a little while. I was working at this one job making about $17, $18 an hour, give or take. You know, 10 hours a day, 6 days a week. It was killing me, but I did it. Started with the V6, got up to the big boy V8. You know, police be hot around here, so you gotta be careful. Now we got the OG smokehouse right over there. About to make this cut. Now we got the fucking muscular ass woman in the Porsche right there, the Cayenne. True or false?
True.
Excuse me. I'm gonna bust a U-turn real quick, and these fucking Delaware lights. They want to take 45 fucking years to turn green. You know what I mean? Oh, my lights aren't even on. None of my lights are on. Interior kind of dirty as shit. This is the Daytona package, not no regular RT, the Daytona. You know what I mean? Put the camera on me sometimes, right? This is not no regular RT. You know what I mean? I bought this car with about 600 miles. Right now, I'm at 1,620. You know what I mean? Thing is, my insurance is not as high as you think it would be. It's hold on. It's about $450 a month. But the car note, forget about it. It's about $900 a month. Just pull real quick. Not the cops.
I don't know. No.
You know what I mean? I always pass by this man's smoke shop, smelling good. What the fuck? These white people.
Stop.
I'm gonna press the gas in the back next to me.
No.
My taillights aren't rolling. So that just blinded the fuck out of me. Just listen to them downshifts. I'm not even in manual. You know what I mean? I'm not even in manual. I'm doing this shit with one hand holding like I'm a fucking crackhead. See, I learned how to drive from my dad. You know what I mean? He drives 2021 Dodge Ram 1500 E-Torque. I drove that motherfucker a couple times. You know what I mean? I think it's a 5.7 like this car right here, but his gonna only go 120, or mine goes big 160 on the dash. Every time I step on the gas, my girl go in the back seat. Oh Lord. You know what I mean? I gotta get gas soon. I'm at 1, 2, 3 miles to the E. You know what I mean? Gas is alright so far.
1, 2, 3 miles to the E?
Yeah, no, look. Look.
Oh.
Look, I know I do. Okay. See, look. 1, 2, 3 miles to the E. You know what I mean? I'm about to start rapping on the side too to pay this car note. You know what I mean? Big shout out to SRT Land, SRT Joey, and especially Lord Shift, or as the niggas call him, Lord Shit. Oh Lord. No, I always wanted to meet them. They're my inspiration to get into these type of cars. Cause when I bought my other car, I didn't know shit about cars. You know what I mean? I was trying to like mod out the V6. You know what I mean? But I didn't have, enough, money to do that. So I just saved up a little while and just got this right here, the big 8. You know what I mean? Now, folks, I'm not trying to get no fucking speeding ticket. I already got like 3 of them. Cut in front of this nigga. Fuck going on behind us?
What?
That nigga in the wrong side of the road.
Maybe
He driving straight on this side.
Maybe he's turning.
No, he's not. He said, what the fuck?
This gets big.
Let's listen to downshifts real quick. It's not very loud. I ain't have nothing done to my exhaust yet. I was trying to get a muffler delete or maybe a resonator delete, but you know what I mean? I don't know yet. Let's do a little second gear pull right here. See, the first and second gear are like the best for the pulls, in my opinion. You know, I'm not really that knowledgeable. You know what I mean? Who closed the fuck this? Should I keep this on open? Close it.
Close it. It's
Huh?
close it.
Alright. Probably fucking up my audio and shit. See, that shit sounds like a spaceship.
What the hell?
Sounds like a motherfucking spaceship in this motherfucker. You telling me? You know what I mean? And it only got the Alpine stereo system. It's nothing outrageous. Sorry for not talking too much, y'all. I just been dealing with a bunch of... I was dehydrated for about like 2 fucking weeks. I ain't noticed. I went to the hospital twice. Went to the hospital twice for it. You know what I mean? First time they didn't really catch it because I didn't really give them the symptoms. But the second time they caught it. My advice, always drink your water. Don't eat too much fast food like I do. You end up sick as shit. You know what I mean?
That was great advice.
You know what I mean? And also when you're driving, like the way I drive, if you got a car like this, Cat, Scat, GT, SXT, whatever, be careful because most folks be driving like retards. You know what I mean? They be driving fucking erratic. I mean, I'm one of them, but I do it with caution most of the time. But you know what I mean? What the fuck going on there? Bunch of trash in the road. I almost hit. What the fuck? You know what I mean? Make sure you subscribe. I'll link my YouTube. I'll link my Instagram in the description. Make sure y'all give me a follow, and I might link my TikTok too. You know what I mean? I don't got really nothing about cars on there, but I'm starting to get into it on the TikTok. Probably make a whole separate account. Excuse me. I mean, I really, I don't know. Man, why the motherfucker I'm so slow? And especially if you're coming down to Delaware, you gotta be careful of them fucking speed cameras, because they will bite your ass. You know what I mean? I got caught by one I think it was 2-3 months ago. I was going out to the mall, right? and this yellow light, it was turning red, but it turned red 0.2 seconds after I passed it, and I got caught. I had to pay like almost $200 fucking dollars. You know what I mean? Don't fucking, if you see a yellow light and there's a speed camera, stop on the red, I'm telling you. And I don't know what this nigga's doing, step on the brakes like that. And look, there's another Charlie over there. Is that? No, that shit nice. Shit. I should take a nap. Comment below if you think I should take a nap or stay up all night tonight. You know, look at the let me see. Tell you why, this is an Altima, right? And they got the fucking Jeep Jeep plate on the back. That ain't no Jeep, bro. That ain't no Jeep.
I didn't even notice that.
I don't know where. That ain't no Jeep, goddammit. That's an Altima. You know, niggas be treating the Altimas like cats and scats and shit. You know what I mean? But up in Delaware, you see a lot of them. You rarely see a cat down here.
Not too much on Delaware.
I mean, I'm not from Delaware. I'm from Maryland. You know what I mean?
Maryland.
I can't say exactly where, you know, feds be hot. You know what I mean? See, I love this car. People think it's a cop car. If I get behind them, I go. And niggas just shrivel in fear. They see the cop gets behind them. Yeah, it's a chase. I mean, got all the fucking shit I wanted in the car. Paddle shifter, the navigation equipment, everything. I hope it's not gonna storm. Look, tell me why I was about to wash my car today. I didn't know it was gonna rain. And I looked at the weather, it started raining. I'm like, God damn, I just saved myself like $5-10. You know what I mean? You know, I gotta drop my camera woman off Sillington. I gotta get home. You know, folk, you know, family be tripping now. Especially I got this car. Shit like this. You know what I mean? But after I drop her off, I'll probably just take a couple videos on my own. Maybe, maybe not. Alright, this is 5.7. Logging out.